Hello, Well Divas. For this past week, you have been heavy on my mind. I know I've been quiet, but I've been over here trying to figure out what I can do to help you restore your peace. For those who don't know me, I am Renee Mitchell Simpson, the Well Diva, and I am the host of the Self Love and Happiness Retreat, a restorative and healing retreat for Black women. And I want to begin by saying, ladies, welcome to a new week. It's time to shake off the dust of the past week and the past few months of stress that have been building up. Now, as you know, I'm all about living the soft life. I'm all about creating more ease and joy and peace in your life. And I just want to come here and help you to restore that in case it got off balance over the last week or the last few months. Because living in stress is going to eventually lead to illness, and we do not want that. So what I want to do is give you some practices that can help you to regulate your nervous system, okay? Now, how do you know if you need this? If you've been dealing with difficulty sleeping, changes in your mood, maybe some upset in your digestive tract, or just catching a cold, you may need to reset your nervous system. So over the next 21 days, each day starting today through the end of the month, I want to come and give you just a little something that's going to help with that. Now today's nervous system regulation, or we're going to call it our peace practice for the rest of this month. So today's peace practice is some affirmations. I'm going to give you this list and I want you to say these out loud. 1, I am grounded, calm, and fully present in this moment. 2, peace flows through me with every breath I take. That feels good. 3, I release what I cannot control and embrace serenity. 4, my body and mind are safe, supported, and at ease. 5, I protect my peace and welcome a life of softness and grace. 6, I am resilient and I trust myself to handle whatever comes my way. 7, I choose to nurture calm and create space for joy in my life. Say those out loud. If you need to rewind and play it again and say it as many times as you can until you truly believe it and receive it and you feel that peace and calm coming over you, do that because it's really vital that you restore your peace at this time. Don't let this drag out for the next 5-10 days. Let's get back on track today. Restore your peace today, okay? All right, well, Divas, that's your peace practice for today. And if you'd like information on how you can join us for our next Self-Love and Happiness Retreat, or if you'd like to work with me, I do one-on-one and group coaching. You can send me a direct message or you can visit welldiva.com to get more information. Okay? Have a peaceful rest of the day and I'll see you tomorrow.